Hi, it's Darnell with Whale Oven Recipes, and today I'm going to be cooking up some seafood stuffed salmon in the NuWave Primo combo grill oven. So we're going to have some grilled salmon, and we're going to get started on that right now using that probe feature. We're going to cook that salmon up perfect. Alright, so what I have here, I was at my local Sam's Club and picked up some Atlantic salmon with seafood stuffing. It's fresh salmon. So I'm going to basically cook these up in the Primo, use that probe feature to grill them up. So I'm just going to get them open first here. Pop them open. And I'm sure, you've probably been to your local membership club and you've seen these sitting around and you wanted to pick some up. So this will help you as well as help me to enjoy these. So I'm getting these out and I'm just going to put them all each on the grill. Just kind of lay them out like so. Try and evenly space them. So there's two. These look delicious. They really do. It wouldn't be too hard to take salmon fillet and make up some stuffing or something, but it's kind of like when you're just walking through the store and you just see them, it's just kind of, they got that mental mind trick going on to get you to buy it. So I can say that I get caught up in it every once in a while. So you have two of them out there. We'll get this last one laid out. Alright, so we've got them all in place. Now I'm going to take the probe for the NuWave Primo. I'm going to stick it through one of these vent holes here. Going to stick the jack into the probe jack here. So just pop that in place. Now I got to find a good one to be my test subject for my probe's temperature. So I'm going to use this one here. Try and get right into a nice meaty piece of meat. So, okay, I think I've got it in. Now that I have it in, I'm going to try and get my dome on carefully. I'll pull that probe out a little bit. Alright, so I got my dome on. I've got my probe in. I've got it, so that it's kind of just over there like that. So now let's turn the Primo on. Now that the Primo's on, I'm going to set my temperature to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I've got heating elements top and bottom both at 50%. Now I'm going to hit the probe. It defaults to 140. Although 145 is the safe temp for salmon, I'm going to go up a little bit extra to try and make sure that it's really well cooked. 150 is a little more than the 145, but I'm going to keep it there. Our probe basically adjusts in 5-degree increments, so we have to go with the 150. And so basically with that, everything's set. I'm going to hit start. It's just going to start cooking. It'll take as long as it needs to cook this salmon up. So going to go ahead and just hit the start button, and I'll bring you back when this is done. Right now that salmon's at a cold 37 degrees, so I didn't let it set out a while to get warm or anything of that nature. I just got right into it. So sometimes that's how I like to do it. Sometimes you don't want to just sit around waiting, but we're going to let this cook, and I'll bring you on back in a bit. Alright, we're 10 minutes into this cook, and things are up to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. That's just after 10 minutes. We're at 140. So we're moving along at a pretty good clip as far as the heating. You can see the salmon is looking pretty good there. So we'll let this continue and I'll bring you on back in a moment. Alright, it just finished. And basically it just took one more minute after I was just talking a moment ago. So 11 minutes and the salmon's done. And that's grilled salmon in 11 minutes. I've got my instant read thermometer. I'm going to check some temps here. This one here, let me get in there good. That's not looking, oh hold on, it's moving up. It is moving along as I hold it in there. So it's going up above 145. So it's safe. I'm just going to check here. It's hotter there. I'm going to check in here. Right here it's looking a little, what is it up? No, it's moving up. So I hold it in place. It's kind of hovering. See if I'm in the meat there. Well, down there well, it looks like I'm thinking it's pretty done. I think I'm hitting a bit of crab meat. When I hit that seafood stuff and crab meat, I'm not getting the same temp that I'm getting when I hit the flesh of the salmon. That stuffing is not able to give a good temperature read as good as meat. So basically the meat is done. You can see the meat's well done. So we're done. That seafood stuffing just isn't going to give the same temperature read, or as reliable temperature read, I should say. So let me just grab one off of here and get down in there. Already got that one. So we'll just cut into the side of the salmon. You can see that's done. So our salmon's done. Our food's well cooked. So I'll get the camera adjusted and we'll do a taste test of this seafood stuffed salmon. Alright, so here's our grilled salmon in just 11 minutes. I'm going to try and let you see, well, if I can. I don't know if you can see any of the grilling on the back side there, some of the grill mark. But there are grill marks on the salmon. So let's just do a taste of a piece. It turned out well, still very moist, still very juicy because we made sure not to cook it too far, and that probe feature works real nice. And so, basically this type of grill, I cannot say it's comparable to other cookers. So, I don't think you're going to be able to do it the exact same way in any other cooker because this thing is special. And so it's just real nice and it's a real treat. So I'd say, the combo grill oven, the Primo, very nice, very much enjoying it for sure. So I'd like to hear your comments, but you can find this other heating instructions and recipes at superwaveovenrecipes.com. If you ever want to come direct to the YouTube channel, waveovenrecipes.com. Twitter and Instagram are also Wave Oven Recipes. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, share the video with a friend, subscribe to the channel, and good eating.